to fix the Roblox error code 279, which prevents you from connecting to a game due to a failed connection attempt. Start by checking Roblox's operational status at status.roblox.org. If the status shows green, it means all systems are up and running. However, if you see any red, it's likely that Roblox is experiencing issues, and the error is not on your end. If the status is green, try rebooting your computer by selecting the Windows Start button, then the Power button, and finally, restart. Once your computer restarts, attempt to play Roblox again to see if the error persists. If rebooting doesn't resolve the issue, run the Windows 10 Network Troubleshooter. To do this, right-click the Windows Start button, select Network Connections, and then choose the Network Troubleshooter under Advanced Network Settings. The troubleshooter will detect any problems and may ask you to select which network adapter to check. Ensure all network adapters are checked. Then select Next. After the troubleshooter runs, close it and try playing Roblox again, as it may have reset something on your network to fix the issue. If the network troubleshooter doesn't fix the error, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. To do this, go to the Windows Start button, right-click it, and select Apps and Features. Search for Roblox in the search box. Select it, and then choose Uninstall. Once uninstalled, open a browser. Navigate to roblox.com. Log into your account, and attempt to play a game. When prompted to download and install Roblox, do so. And once the installation is complete, try playing the game again. This should resolve the error code 279 and allow you to play Roblox on your computer.